a little grocery for John because he has cold. And this is for throat, and this is for cough. Some clementines as well. And now I'm gonna cook soup for him. Mushrooms and potatoes and cheese. Very simple. I cut mushrooms, champignons as well. You cook. Now I'm gonna potatoes cooked. Mushrooms. I cut potatoes in small pieces. Mushrooms. Ready to cook. Onion, garlic. Going out to the park. Beautiful. Always say beautiful. Otherwise how? Of course it's beautiful. Such a weather in October. Probably I get sick as well, like John. And what today is? Today is 15th of October. Beautiful day. So I did a lot of things today, even cooked for later. So we're gonna, John's gonna enjoy my soup, I hope. I think so, because it's this is what he likes to not eat soup, drink soup. And very healthy, simple. Park is a forest, like a forest. Leaves, autumn. But breathe trees in, are still green, see? And breathe out. Some of them. Breathe in, breathe out. I don't know, it's for me it's funny to say that. Nice. Are you enjoying to walk with me? I hope so. Hello guys, beautiful. Like me. Lake over there. Nice. Nice lake. This is my second round in the same park. I don't want to go home yet. It's still beautiful weather. I finished my second round and I'm going home. I'm home now. It was a wonderful day, sunny, and breathe in, breathe out. And see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.